In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's say you have a PDF file and need to add some annotations or text directly onto the document. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is a powerful tool that makes this task easy and efficient. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can confidently manage this on your own. First, you need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you have the application installed, go ahead and launch it, then find your desired PDF file. Click to open it and it should appear within the workspace. This will be your canvas for adding text or making any adjustments you desire. Once your PDF is open, direct your attention toward the top of the screen. You'll see the global toolbar, which contains a variety of functions you'll use throughout your PDF editing journey. For our purpose today, you'll want to click on Edit. This option allows you to enter into editing mode, making the document interactive so you can modify it. After clicking Edit, look for the Add Content section. Here you will find various tools at your disposal, including the Add Text option, which is exactly what we need. Click on Add Text, and you'll notice your cursor changes, indicating you're ready to place the text on your document. Now move your cursor to the part of the PDF where you want to insert your text. It could be a blank section, or maybe you wish to add notes to existing content. Once you're happy with your placement, click on the area and you'll see a text box ready for your input. Go ahead and start typing whatever information or notes you need to add. One of the great features of Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is the ability to customize the appearance of your text. After you've entered your text, you might want to change how it looks to ensure it's legible and fits with the rest of your document. On the left panel, you'll find formatting options. These tools allow you to adjust font style, size, color, and more. Feel free to experiment to find the right balance that suits your document's aesthetics. And there you have it, you've successfully added text to a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Remember, this tool is quite versatile, so don't hesitate to explore other features that might be useful for your personal or professional needs. With these skills, you're on your way to becoming more efficient with your digital document management. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.